Welcome back, fam. Today we are reviewing on the chart versus dollar your favorite coin BNB. I've made quotes with hands when I said favorite, but who knows, maybe it is. Daily chart, short-term analysis of BNB, what's the direction and what are the targets. That's all you need to know, right? So let's begin. As you can see, this is BNB that had pretty nice impulsive move to the upside. It's all good. This was number one, this was number two. Is there one more left? Well, for now, let's zoom in to find that direction before we can decide to speak. And the direction for now is, drum rolls, to the downside. BNB is still bearish on the daily chart. I'm sorry to disappoint you, and I'm sorry to crush your dreams. Don't cry, it will go up eventually. Why is that? Because as you can see with my band, we are above the price. And with today's Sunday pump, we just made this area even higher resistance. So until this area is broken, I'm not giving any bullish narrative to BNB. The momentum is to the downside. At the moment of recording of this video, we are sitting at $305. Exponential moving average of 21 days is at 303, and 306 is the line that is at this moment making a resistance. So yes, BNB could go lower. Now yes, you can debate if this was the low when we touched 280 something, 88 or something like that, or we will go lower. In my opinion, we will go lower, make a deeper correction, and then continue to the upside. You see, pretty simple technical analysis. Now let's zoom out just to get this move, just to show you that really in some sense there is nothing to talk about until we break this line of resistance. This was the pain point of $336. Since then we just made lower highs if we include end wicks and the bodies. If you want to show one horizontal line to the upside, we can mark this area, those bodies, $324. So there you go. I don't believe it at this moment this is the zone that we need to talk about, but eventually this zone could give us some problems. Yes, we can go lower like this, take this zone into account, or even lower, make this zone into account. But what's the point of this kind of analysis? I analyze those spaghetti videos when you see 1,000 lines and practically deduct nothing. If you really want to know, 324, 380, 310, all areas of resistance. But let's not talk in those terms that really giving you no value. I'm here to provide you value. I believe BNB is going lower, so let's talk about those lower targets. For that, we will raise everything and just zoom out into something like this, so that we can take this point from November of last year and this high that we made around Christmas time. Okay, let's use Fibonacci now. Let's combine what we just said, this and this. Beautiful, beautiful drone, just to give us an insight of what is happening at this moment. And Fibonacci, when we drew it like school example from week to week, is giving us one clear level that we touched 38.2% retracement. Okay. Also, do notice 23.6. What is giving us? A big level of resistance and $305. We are crushing it right now at this moment today. But let's raise it, because again, I'm not giving you value to the downside, which I believe will be realized. So let's that Fibonacci accompany by another one that is using only bodies. You know I like to do that. I don't know if that's correct. I just like to do it. There you go. There you go, friends. That means I'm getting the zones. Ah, beautiful. And from this kind of analysis, we will get everything we need. What am I talking about? The zone that is currently our support, 38.2% retracement. That zone will be $285. Okay? Now, I believe a retracement into that area is not enough. I believe that the next possible and very important target will be this, Voila! 50% retracement. What levels are we talking about? $273. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe BNB will correct to $273 before it continues to the upside. But still, if you are not convinced, at those levels, it could be that the ultimate buy zone will be this 61.8% retracement. When we touch that one, then you should be thinking about next targets to the upside. And what is that level? Drum rolls, please. $260. So what should you deduct from this kind of blabbering? By removing all of those Fibonacci levels and by giving you a clear cut, you can see what I'm talking about pretty clearly. For now, this level gave us pretty nice rebound, 285. I believe it's not enough and BNB needs to correct to 273, so the regions of 270. But if things go south, we can even correct to 260, because this is the golden pocket, 61.8% retracement, because this is the zone that Fibonacci in its nature likes to retrace to. Put it really simple. Have we reached the bottom of this retracement? No, we haven't, in my opinion. Of course, I could be completely wrong. This is not financial advice. I'm just a guy, a regular guy like you, like any investor, that just like the chart that's giving you my insight so that we can share it together, okay? Daily chart is not looking bullish at this moment. If we regain those levels of $306 with a move to the upside, then things will change. For now, 270 and 260 are possible targets. And yeah, for the long-term perspective, and something like this is looking like a bull flag, it means that we need bigger retracement to go into more parabolicness like we saw here. So, are you agreeing with me? Are you waiting for the lower targets on BNB? Or you think 285 and something was enough? You know what? I'll see you in the lower levels of BNB. And until then, the dinosaur, which I just accidentally renamed to Sinosaur, will just gently roar.